Hello everyone, it's a beautiful and bright afternoon here in Singapore, and now I am heading towards the famous Chinatown. I'm expecting very vibrant evening over there because Chinese New Year is just few days away and Chinatown is supposed to get decked up with all colors and light. It's very hot and humid here, 32 degrees, and can't believe last week I was in Bhutan under sub-zero temperature. I hope you have seen that series. If not, the link is provided in the description. Please go and check it out. Now I'm going inside Orchard Road MRT station and I'm going to take a metro from here. Okay, now I have come to the Maxwell station. I have to find my way out. There are multiple. I have to find the proper way out to the Chinatown. So I want to start with Buddha Tooth Relic Temple and Museum. For that I have to take exit number 1. So let's go. Oh wow. I see all the decorations here for the Chinese New Year.
Singapore's Chinatown is a vibrant neighborhood with a rich history. It originated in early 19th century when Chinese immigrants settled in the area seeking better opportunities. Over the years, it has evolved into a cultural hub, preserving traditions and cuisines of Chinese community.
I see a very vibrant mood over here, and I believe during the evening this place is going to look fabulous with all the lanterns lit up, all the decorations. It's going to be
The Buddha Tooth Relic Center was closed during that time, so I decided to walk around and explore the neighborhood.
It's very hot in here, so I got myself a Coke and I'm just wandering aimlessly and I'm liking this. This is the way you explore a new city. Don't keep any targets, don't keep any expectations. Just enjoy the place.
The Chinatown in Singapore offers a unique blend of shopping and walking experiences. Shop for everything from traditional items to modern fashion and immerse yourself in a vibrant market. Take a stroll through the charming streets, admire the ornate architecture, and explore historical temples and cultural heritage. It's a must-visit destination that combines shopping and rich cultural exploration. The Mariamman Temple in Singapore is a historic Hindu temple located in Chinatown. Established in 1827, it's one of the Singapore's oldest temples and holds cultural and religious significance. The temple's history is intertwined with early Indian migrant community in Singapore. It serves as a place of worship and cultural celebrations, attracting both local Hindu community and visitors interested in Hindu traditions.
So this is an official Tintin merchandise shop, and if you are fan of Tintin, then you may come here and buy something, but things are quite overpriced. You see so many people here. It reminds me of Durga Puja of Kolkata.
He's a pro. Yeah, he is.
The kind of Miss Bhai, you want to try that? You want to try that? So many strange things is being sold here. I have not heard about half of those in my life. Maybe I'll go back and Google. But this place is getting really vibrant.
In Singapore Chinatown, the Chinese New Year is a time of vibrant celebration. Streets are adorned with red lanterns, symbolic decorations, and the air is filled with beat of lion and dragon dances. Fireworks light up the night sky, and the market offers special treats. Families come together, exchange mandarin oranges, and enjoy traditional dishes. It's a festive time to immerse in culture and welcome the new year with joy.
See, all of those buildings are restored to keep the heritage look of this Chinatown. You guys are buying chopsticks?
Yeah. Really wouldn't mind. I like these ones.
This one?
This phone?
Ivory? What? $179. Oh.
Yeah.
Very unlikely sign to see here, but since it is put by the authorities, I bet you should be careful about your belongings. So folks, I spent an awesome time here at Chinatown, Singapore. When you are visiting Singapore, you cannot miss this place. Especially during Chinese New Year, this area is so vibrant. So if you have enjoyed this video, give it a like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do watch the other videos of Singapore travel series. Until we meet again, stay safe and stay happy.